Ba, 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 da, ba. Huh. All right, you guys, as some of you may know, yesterday was the 4th of July. And in honor of America, Levee and I today are gonna explode a watermelon with rubber bands. No explosives needed. What do you think? Should we go get donuts first? Tell him.
I gotta go get donuts.
We're gonna go get donuts first? Should we throw you in the air?
No. No.
No,
Please, no. I don't.
do. Okay, we will be back with some donuts. Okay, we've arrived home with our donuts. This is a chocolate sprinkle long john for Levee, if you guys didn't know. Ugh. We've also arrived home with our watermelon here.
Watermelon.
We got a long, slim watermelon. Bigger target to hit with the rubber bands. I think it's gonna go pretty well. I'm guessing a good collapse right on the middle. I think we gotta set up for a mess, huh? Gotta put some bags on the table. I think we're ready to go. Are you ready to explode a watermelon? Boom! All right, let's do it. All right, Levee. Are you ready to start the watermelon explosion process? Beep. Big weights to hold our subject in place. Boom. You ready? Let's do this. And take these, and we're gonna go like this. You can do it with your colorful ones.
Colorful ones.
Yeah, let me help you.
This one.
No, that one's too small.
This one.
Yeah, I could use some of those.
And knock this down.
There you go, Levee. Good job.
Knock. What is inside of there?
It sounds like it's about to go.
Squeezing the watermelon now. Bells blow right now. Right in our house. Then you have to mop again. Alright. Whoa! Okay. Explode.
That was crazy.
No, I got to get down.
Oh my goodness.
You got on your... No, not on my shoe again.
That was crazier than I thought it was gonna be. Holy cow. Oh my goodness.
Lower on me. Hi.
Oh no. Got a little bit.
Got a lot in our
of a
house.
mess here.
And it went on the counter.
Holy cow.
Right. Stop touching me, guy. Stop. Stop it.
Oh my
Stop it.
gosh.
Stop it. Why do I do it?
Well,
Why did it go on there? Why did it go in here to it first flip right by your boy?
We got a lot to explain to Mommy.
What?
We have a problem.
What the heck, man? What is that?
Water.
We exploded a watermelon with a rubber band. I didn't think it was gonna be crazy. Oh my gosh. It exploded.
Did it get in the living room?
Yes.
Not on my carpet.
Mommy.
Oh my god.
Mommy, it exploded my shirt and my bottom pants. It exploded on the chair.
I'm gonna just clean those chairs too.
Well, you guys, thanks for watching our video of us absolutely destroying a watermelon.
Bye bye.
We have some cleaning up to do.
Bye bye.
We're covered in watermelon,
Yes.
and we got some mopping to do.
Oh no.
But we'll see you next time.
Bye bye.